So I've got the DJI Mic Mini 2, and let me show you how to pair and connect this microphone to an Android phone via Bluetooth. Now this is very simple. Once you take it out of the case, you want to go to its side and find this button. So press and hold this button until that light on the microphone starts blinking blue and green like that. That means the microphone is in pairing mode. So now, I hope you can see that light, blue and green. Now you can go to your Android phone's Bluetooth settings and then scan for devices, and you should see under available devices your DJI Mic Mini 2. Tap on it to start the pairing process and then confirm you want to pair, and it's going to get paired and connected. And you can even see the battery percentage of the microphone. Now once you connect, the light on the microphone will become a steady blue light, as you can see. Now if you want to connect another microphone, you do the same process. Thanks for watching and good luck.